In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lines in Canva. Lines are one of the simplest, most versatile elements you can add to a design. They separate sections, guide the eye, and create structure without clutter. We'll keep this clear and practical so you can get right back to designing. Start inside your project. With your design open, look to the left side of the screen. That vertical sidebar is where your creative tools live. Click on Tools. This opens the toolbox you use to add basic elements. Once you're there, find and click the line icon. It usually looks like a small diagonal stroke, and when you select it, Canva will reveal several line styles you can use right away. You'll see three choices: the straight line, the curved line, and a trajectory-like line. A straight line is your go-to for clean separators, underlines, and precise borders. It keeps layouts tidy and professional, and it's perfect for creating subtle structure between blocks of content. A curved line is ideal when you want a softer, more organic feel. It brings gentle motion to a page and balances sharp shapes elsewhere in the design. The trajectory-like line gives you a dynamic path, great for illustrating direction, flow, or movement. Think routes on maps, process flows, or energetic timelines. After you click the style you want, the line appears in your project so you can position it exactly where it belongs. That's the whole path. Go to your project, open Tools on the left, click the line icon, and then choose the straight, curved, or trajectory-like option that fits your layout. A few quick notes to help you get results you'll love. Canva highlights the new line so you can immediately see how it sits with your text and images, making it easy to judge balance and spacing. Straight lines reinforce grids and help headlines breathe without adding visual noise. Curved lines soften layouts and can draw attention gently, which is useful in designs that already have strong angles or bold typography. Trajectory-like lines naturally suggest momentum, making them perfect for infographics, guides, and step-by-step visuals where you want the eye to follow a path. For consistency, try to stick with one line style across a single design so everything feels cohesive. Keep line thickness proportional to your canvas size, and aim for enough contrast with the background so your lines are clear without overpowering the content. Lines are lightweight and uncluttered. Use them to clarify, not compete. That's it. You now know exactly where to find lines in Canva and which type to choose for your design.